facing this way, right?
Yeah.
It's facing like this, correct?
Right.
Okay, this is cold. Cracker. Installation of relocation. About 150 degrees up here. Smoking, which we will be after this little episode. Up here, Memorial, parlaying with the big wigs.
In the attic.
In the attic, sweating like a
Hebrew slave.
nigger on election day. It's all good in the hood. We got this. If I can just see clearly now. Oh, workman's comp. Put a little Teflon. Wee. Donkashay. Water heater. Just trying to bleed by. Ain't no thing but chicken wing. Apply. I said apply yourself to the plumbing world. While you're filming home skills, see if you can find me that male half-inch shark bite real quick. Tighten the nipple up. Put the water heater back together so we can sleep better. I cut my knuckle, you see that? Workman's comp. Who can I sue? I can't sue myself. Pretty well sums it up. Relocation. We're trying to be maintainable because we got neighbors underneath us. Poured the Torque Daddy Deluxe on it. Shark bite. I like to shake the guy's hand who made these shark bites, sir. Made my job a lot easier. And my pocket fatter. Try to get this little shark bite wee in its hole. We're gonna work his jelly.
Needs a little hair.
We need a lot of hair. We don't need a little. I lost 15 pounds up here. Daddy. Last clip of the nip. Bad mofo. That's it. That's all she wrote. Feed that through that hole. Ian. What the f... There we go. Alright. Okay, we gotta get this other muffin in here. You smell that red pack.